On this week's Pre-Owned Showcase, we take a look at this 2024 Brinkley Model Z 2900. This luxurious and stylish fifth wheel gives you ample room to relax and enjoy. The large four-step entry makes access to your home on wheels a breeze. Inside, you're greeted by an open central kitchen and cozy rear living area. These spaces are designed for both comfort and functionality. The kitchen appliances include a large microwave above a 3-burner range, along with a matching side-by-side refrigerator to keep all your food and drinks fresh. There's also a side pantry closet with adjustable shelving, offering plenty of storage space for your essentials. The entryway hutch provides additional storage and display space, enhancing the RV's practical design. Moving into the inviting entertainment area, you'll discover a cabinet with a large hideaway TV and a cozy fireplace, perfect for relaxing evenings. The large convertible couch on the rear wall offers extra sleeping space, while the comfortable theater-style recliners provide the ultimate in relaxation. The expandable table in the dining area, complete with a half-bench storage seat, offers a versatile space for meals and activities, and the surrounding picture windows provide stunning views, filling the space with natural light. Stepping up into the forward private bedroom, you'll find a queen-size bed flanked by side nightstands and overhead storage. The side wardrobe, private bath entry, and wall-mounted TV at the foot of the bed complete this serene retreat. Finally, we enter the large rear master bath, featuring a stylish vanity and spacious rain shower with sliding glass doors and a skylight, offering a touch of luxury, making every shower a refreshing experience. With its thoughtful design and high-end features, it's perfect for any adventure you can dream up. So pack your bags and get ready to explore in the Brinkley Model Z 2900, your home away from home. Come see this and more at RV Depot Supercenter.
Hey guys, it's Mike down at the RV Depot Supercenter in beautiful Cleburne, Texas. Today I wanted to talk to you about our traditional bank lending department. We have a whole department dedicated to your traditional loans. We have many lenders, we have many sources to get you done. Come down and see us and get an RV of your dreams. Ask for myself, Mike, Bridget, Teresa, or JJ, or call the number on the screen.